Hi, it's Mr. Gallant here, and I'm going to show you how to use the rehearse timings function to get your slideshow to play all by itself and make it look real fancy. So we've got our basics done here. We've put our title, we've got your pivot animation in slide 2 and your credits. You're going to customize these things, including your slide design and all that. So we're going to go to the first slide, and then we're going to go to slideshow, and we're going to hit this button here, rehearse timings, and once I click that, it's going to start timing when I either use the forward arrow or space bar or mouse click, left mouse, and it'll remember the timing of what I choose. And so I want to think about when the person that's watching this, I probably want to give them a couple seconds to watch the title. I want to get all the way through my animation, of course, and most of your animations will be around 30 seconds. Give them a couple seconds to watch the credits, and that's it. And you can redo this as many times as you want to get it right. So let's try it once and see how it works. So rehearse timings, here we go. And as you can see, it's starting to time me. So let's say I gave the person reading a couple of seconds, I click forward, and now my animation's playing, and I'll wait till it gets to the very end, and I'm going to click it ahead. There we go, and then credits, give them a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to click off. So it's asking me, do I want to save this timing? And I'm going to say yes. And again, I can do this if I want again. And there's my return to the other screen. If I want to go to the other view, I can hit normal, and it goes to that more standard view that you might be used to. Now I'm going to hit the F5 key. I'm just going to show you what the F5 key is up here. I'm just going to hit that by itself, and then it's going to play, and let's see how it did. F5, here we go. It's going to play. I'm not clicking through. There's your title. The animation is going to start to play. Now you got to get your animation timing right. I might have clicked a little bit sooner or later, and there we go. The credits. I'm going to take a little bit of practice, and it gets to the end, and it's going to say end of slideshow. So that's pretty much it. Okay, slideshow, rehearse timings, and it may take one or two more times. And once you do that, of course, don't forget to save. You're going to save and make sure your name's on that file. Thanks so much.